Good morning. I want to talk briefly about philosophy. What are the first two premises of an adequate philosophy? Well, the first premise, as far as I'm concerned, is that it be something that escapes the academy because it is universal and it applies to every person. This is not the condition of philosophy today. It is the condition of what I'm trying to do here, but what I'm trying to do here is not what we call, it hasn't been gotten much interest. But I rather like a life in which there's not much interest. The second thing about philosophy, and then I will close, is that not only should it be for every person, not only should it apply to every person, not only should it be about what is within us all, what is common, what is reality for us, but it's also something that has to be based on things that are true whether we believe them or not. That is called in the academic world realism. But as far as I'm concerned, I'm both a realist and an idealist. I'm a Hegelian and I'm a Persian, and I'm on all these things because I draw from them all. And the notion that there is any philosophy that you can tie to a person is silly. It's like leadership. Leadership should not, no person should be the leader. No. So, these are my little ideas, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye-bye.